Hey everybody, I'm Alabama Boss, and this is Deep Fried. Here at Deep Fried, we like to take good things and make them gooder. Everybody loves a bacon cheeseburger, but have you ever deep fried one? We can do it. I'm gonna show you how. All right, so what we're gonna do is pat out 2 hamburger patties. No problem there, don't need any instructions. Salt and pepper, season it up about a ½ pound of ground beef. All right, we got us 2 patties here, pretty thin. Next thing we want to do is put the cheese in the middle. Right here we've used some of Green Bay's finest. This is the cheddar cheese. Now once you get that in there, you want to go around and close this baby off, because that cheese is going to do everything it can to escape. It's going to act like it's stuck in Guantanamo. It's time to move to the pig. We're going to get our bacon. We'll lay your pieces out like this, and we'll go across and come back around. And with the second one, take it to the edge. And all that's doing is saving it to where you only have to stick 1 skewer in it. If you want to put 2 skewers, wrap the bacon however you want. If you want to use more bacon, use more bacon. All right, we've got our grease up to 350 degrees. It's time to put this in the pot. All right, we're gonna let this thing cook for 5 minutes. We'll take it out, flip it over, give it 5 more minutes. All right, this right here looks like it's pretty done. We're gonna put it to rest and cook up the buns. And yes, we're going to deep fry our buns. In the place of a normal bun, we've decided to go with these hash brown patties. That way you get your burger and fries all in one bite. We'll go ahead and put these in here, and I shouldn't have to tell you how to cook hash brown patties. If I do, you don't need to try anything on deep fried. All right, our buns are done. You don't have to do that but a couple of minutes and they'll be done. It's time to head on over and put this burger together. All right, what you want to do is take your first hash brown, that's your bottom bun. You can take the skewer out of the burger now. We'll bring this baby over. And however you like your burger, you can make it that way, but I recommend keeping it simple because this is a mountain. Our other bun comes in, and this is a deep fried edition bacon cheeseburger. Oh yeah. All right, it looks good, but that don't mean shit. So the final verdict is gonna be me eating this thing. Let's go. This is one tasty burger. This is the juiciest meat I have ever had in my mouth. Oh, the cheese. So warm. So gooey. Another successful deep fry. I never thought about trying to squeeze my fries into my burger, but it's a great idea. Hit the old cheeseburger's G-spot. Well, there you have it, deep fried bacon cheeseburger. Let us know in the comments if you have any deep fried recipes we need to try. I'm Alabama Boss, Rated Red. Y'all have a good one.